저희 매장 이용해보신 적 있으세요? 네. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
식사 맛있게 하세요.
Holy shit, that's hot. Hey guys, I'm Katie and this is my channel Busan Basics, where I tell you what it's like living in Busan, South Korea. So don't mind me, I'm actually still getting ready. That's why my hair is so wet. And if you hear like a swooshing sound, that is my air conditioner and I'm very sorry about that. I somehow lost the remote between going to bed last night and waking up this morning. I have no idea where it is. I swear some like sock troll came in and stole the remote, because I've searched everywhere and my apartment's like not even that big. Anyways, today I'm not really doing anything that special, but me and Juno are going to a very famous, a very fancy dwaejigukbab place. And I thought I would take you guys along with me. Korean food is actually one of the top reasons I came to Korea. Sorry, not sorry. And dwaejigukbab is actually a Busan food, so I figured why not take you guys along with me. Oh, I got a lot of bags. So if you don't know, dwaeji just means pork, and guk is soup, and bap is rice. So you could probably figure out what kind of soup it is. It is pork and rice soup. And it's really yummy. And usually, if you don't go to like a fancy place, you just go to like a very standard place where they have like the metal tables and you go, you order, you eat, you peace out. So this will be a new experience. But yeah, I'm gonna finish getting ready and let's go. You ready to eat?
Ready.
You ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Storming.
So, pig stomach.
Yeah, big storm.
Dip.
How is it?
It's good. Oh no! What do you think?
Good like I expected.
저희 매장 이용해보신 적 있으세요?
네.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
식사 맛있게 하세요.
Ah, looks good.
It's good, right?
Okay, so put a little of this in here.
Yeah.
Sunshine, can you make this last?
Holy shit, that's hot. How was it? Good?
Very good.
You go, when I let you go.
Done. Time for dessert.
Let's go.
Let's go. What do you want?
I don't know. What do I want? That's really deep question. Let's go serving.
Sulbing! Okay. So if I had to rate that place out of 10, I would say 7. What would you say?
I would say 7 too.
I would say the dwaejigukbab was good, but it wasn't like extraordinarily good. And Juno made a good point where he was like, it's just the atmosphere. Like most dwaejigukbab places, they're small places, you eat and then you leave, but this place was pretty nice. But it was like $32 for dwaejigukbab, and dwaejigukbab should not be that expensive. And I personally don't think it was worth $32. Do you think it was worth $32?
For atmosphere, yeah.
For the atmosphere? Yeah. So if you want to be a little fancier with your dwaejigukbab, go there for atmosphere, but you're going to be paying like double the price. So now, sulbing!
Considering between this and this.
Tiramisu and mint chocolate?
Yeah.
I thought you just said you don't want mint chocolate.
No, now I change my mind. What do you want? Which one do you want to support?
Ah, they both sound really good. sulbing. I think it was very refreshing. I like how the toppings are on top, and then once you're done you have the shaved ice and you can like turn it into like a soupy, mushy, tastes like ice cream kind of thing. I feel like it's the dessert that keeps on giving. What did you feel about the mint chocolate flavor?
I liked it.
Really?
Yeah, I liked it was better than I thought.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He didn't want mint chocolate. I wanted the mint chocolate. Yeah, the mint chocolate was good. Last time, what did we have? The brownie?
Yeah, brownie thing.
Brownie's also good. I'm a huge chocolate person, so I always get like the sweet chocolate ones, but they have like fruit ones as well. I think they even have a macaroon one. They have all these different flavors, but sulbing is it's specifically Korean, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Korean brand.
It's a Korean dessert and really delicious. Highly recommended if you come. Let me know if you like these kind of videos where I just eat food, because I like filming these kind of videos because I want to make videos that you want to watch. So let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!